Hey, what's up? Most of the time I've been just like, but I'm just, you know. But like, it's like really sunny, so it's like really hot, and you know, just doing something. It's really kind of cool. What do you think? I think it's sunny. Oh wow! I just said that though. I know. Here, let's see these flowers right here. We didn't get them yesterday up. So these are these flowers that I recorded yesterday, and they were not open. And now they are. And flowers. Yay. Yeah. Say have a good day. Have a horrible day. I mean good day. Terrible person. What's up? Bored. What do you want to do? Nothing. Okay. Okay.
Why would you say I'm bored? I didn't say anything about that.
Okay. Look at this beautiful pattern. You know what it needs? It needs some paper clips. Yep. It completes art. Now, filling up halftime. Paper shreds, fresh from the shredder. A creepy snowman, straight from the jungle. Hey guys. You know what? Don't listen to this girl behind the camera. She, don't listen to her. Santa Claus, straight from where the snowman came from. A tiny house, straight from this thing. Nope. Hey, Olivia, what's going on? Hello? Can you look like an alien from here, from this angle?
I know I'm an alien. Get out of my face.
Hey, I just wanted to tell you something. This is the ending of the video. We just finished halftime, and there's no.
What were you doing? Nothing. You're making our YouTube channel look like a strange circus act.
Because it is. Okay, just kidding. It's not really, but you know what it is?
This guy spelled leve, L-A-V-E.
Yeah.
Hilarious. Why don't you L-A-V-E?